Hello, hello. Welcome to the first episode of Following Science, where I dive into the groundbreaking world of scientific discovery. I'm Ruta Rapara, and today I'm going to be exploring the transformative power of computational biology in predicting disease outbreaks. From the latest research to real world applications, I'm going to unpack how this interdisciplinary field is reshaping our approach to global health today. So, in an era characterized by the incessant threat of emerging and re-emerging infectious diseases, the utilization of computational biology has become instrumental in deciphering the intricate dynamics of disease outbreaks, and more significantly, in predicting their occurrence. The 20th and the 21st century have borne witness to a series of devastating pandemics, from the 1918 influenza and HIV to more recent crises such as SARS, Ebola, and COVID-19 pandemics. These global health emergencies underscore the urgency of developing effective disease outbreak prediction and control strategies. While conventional epidemiological methods have served as the cornerstone of disease surveillance, the complexities of contemporary global dynamics and the rapid evolution of pathogens necessitate novel approaches. Computational biology does exactly that. It provides the novel approach needed to make sure that they can predict disease outbreaks in a more efficient and effective way. And how it does this is by just combining elements of computer science, math, and biological expertise to emerge as a cutting edge paradigm in a sense to tackle all of the challenges that we get from pathogens. Now, by leveraging computational models and data analysis techniques, computational biologists can analyze vast amounts of genomic, epidemiological, and environmental data to identify patterns, detect early warning signs, and generate predictions about the emergence, spread, and impact of diseases. Now, let's delve into why computational biology is so relevant today. In today's interconnected world, the relevance of computational biology in predicting disease outbreaks cannot be overstated. The ongoing threat of emerging pathogens and global health crisis, exemplified by the COVID-19 pandemic, highlight the critical importance of proactive disease surveillance and preparedness. Computational biology equips us with the tools to navigate such infectious diseases complex and evolving landscape. So, by assimilating vast data sets, incorporating ecological and genetic factors, and leveraging sophisticated modeling techniques, computational biology enables the timely identification of potential disease hotspots, tracking pathogen evolution, and predicting outbreak trajectories. This foresight is invaluable in mitigating the health impact of outbreaks and minimizing the socioeconomic disruptions that invariably accompany them. Moreover, as our world becomes increasingly interconnected through travel, trade, the rapid spread of diseases across borders is a stark reality. The ability to predict and respond effectively to outbreaks is no longer a regional concern, but a global imperative. Computational biology allows for real-time monitoring of these disease trends, enabling public health authorities to make informed decisions and allocate resources efficiently. Furthermore, as the climate continues to change, affecting the distribution of disease vectors and alternating environmental conditions, computational biology provides a vital tool for understanding and adapting to these shifting dynamics, which is a stark reality of our world today. So, how does computational biology work in practice? Let's break it down. Computational biology harnesses the power of mathematical modeling and computational tools to analyze vast data sets, stimulate epidemiological dynamics, and anticipate the emergence of infectious diseases. This interdisciplinary approach enables researchers to gain insights into the underlying biological mechanisms that drive outbreaks, and so that they can inform and make decisions about different public health interventions that they need to do. Now, one key aspect of computational biology is mathematical modeling. Computational biologists leverage a variety of mathematical models, to stimulate the spread of infectious diseases within populations. Classical compartmental models, such as the SARE model, and more complex agent-based models allow for the representation of individual interactions and spatial dynamics. These models incorporate parameters like transmission rates, recovery rates, and the population movement to stimulate progression of an outbreak. Another approach is network-based models. Network models are employed to study the structure of contacts within populations. Researchers can analyze how disease spreads through networks by representing individuals as nodes and their interactions as edges. This approach is particularly valuable for understanding the role of specific individuals or groups in the transmission dynamics and identifying key intervention points. Now, different computational tools also play a significant role. The integration of machine learning algorithms and data analytics have become integral in processing and interpreting large-scale biological databases. By analyzing patterns and correlations within diverse data sources, computational biologists can easily identify potential risk factors, predict outbreak trajectories, and discover novel associations that may influence disease dynamics. Now, GIS, or Geographical Information Systems, enable the spatial analysis of disease outbreaks, facilitating the identification of high-risk areas and supporting targeted intervention strategies. By combining epidemiological data with geographical information, computational biologists can create spatial models that enhance the accuracy of outbreak predictions and optimize research allocation. Now, looking into the future, computational biology offers four pivotal implications that promise to redefine public health paradigms: real-time surveillance and early warning systems, the integration of multi-omics data, enhanced spatial modeling, and the simulation of intervention scenarios. So, starting with real-time surveillance, it involves the continuous integration of diverse data sources, including social media, healthcare records, and environmental monitoring. Predictive analytic, pre- prescriptive an- Predictive analytics, using advanced machine learning algorithms, can analyze real-time data streams, enabling early detection of potential outbreaks. Prescriptive analytics, on the other hand, suggests targeted interventions based on predictive models, allowing for strategic implementation of measures like vaccination campaigns and social distancing. Now, the integration of multi-omics data provides a comprehensive understanding of disease mechanisms. By combining genomics, transcriptomics, proteomics, and metabolomics data, researchers can gain a holistic view of molecular mechanisms, leading to the identification of novel biomarkers and personalized treatment strategies. Now, one of the last ones, but definitely not the least, enhanced spatial modeling. Now, enhanced spatial modeling allows for fine-scale analysis of disease spread within specific regions, optimizing resource allocation, and assessing the impact of environmental factors on transmission dynamics. This is crucial in understanding how climate and environmental changes influence disease emergence. And lastly, stimulating intervention scenarios is so important because through the use of computational models, they can use intervention scenarios to help optimize public health strategies. These simulations allow public health officials to assess the potential effectiveness of different strategies, promoting data-driven decision-making for more effective outbreak control. Wow, we covered a lot today. Now, before we end this episode, I just want to thank you all for tuning in to this episode of Following Science. If you like what you heard, be sure to subscribe, rate, and leave a review on your favorite podcast platform. Your feedback helps me bring you even better content. Now, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, the adventure of science is never ending. So, thank you all for tuning in again, and see you next time.